Okay, so my lawnmower tire, I tend to drive over some areas that has thorns in it. I live in Central Florida, and there's a lot of cactus, sometimes in overgrown grass. So what tends to happen, I get some thorns in here, and I can't find where the puncture is. So what I've done in the past is I've purchased some slime to go. This is available in Walmart or even on Amazon just for a few dollars. And this container actually just treats one bicycle tire. You could actually buy larger sizes. This was like $3 or $4. When you buy this, you also need to buy a four-way tool. This allows you to take out the Schrader valve inside. So you just put it in. You take the cap off, the cap, and you put this in and take out the Schrader valve. Then you squeeze in this bottle, the contents of this bottle. Don't forget to take the little cap, the seal off, right? And then you put this on, and then you just squeeze the contents of the bottle, and then you inflate the tire, right? This one takes up to 14 psi. The ones in the back take 10 psi. And then you just spin the tire a few times. Of course, you jack it up as well, right? And that should distribute the sealant and seal the tire. All right, so this will help you. I don't need to take the tire off or anything like that. One time I actually did get a puncture on the side, and for that I needed to take the tire off and then put a sealant and then lie the tire on the side, and then inflate it, lie the tire on the side to get the sealant to close the opening on the side. But for this one, I'm pretty confident that it's actually on the rolling surface. So that's what I'm going to do. I only bought one bottle. This is just for one tire, but because I've done it before, I'm just going to put half the contents and see if I could get that to work. And my other tire is also low, losing pressure. So I'm just going to use the balance of the contents of the bottle into the other tire. But yeah, this is what I do when I get punctures in my lawnmower tires. This is not for vehicles that need to go on highways or roads. All right, this is just for your personal, little, lawnmowers and bicycles and so on. So just keep that in mind. Any questions, let me know.